Today I'm going to show you how to create epics in Jira. Creating epics right here in Jira is very simple. What we need to do is make sure that you're in one of your spaces, previously known as projects. Go up to create, and here you'll see work type. Now there are a bunch of different work types here, and one of the nice things is if you don't have something in here, you can actually even add a work type in here, which is great. So now we're going into epic. And basically what this is going to do is allow you to take a large portion of a project or a task that's quite big and section it into smaller pieces. And this is how it works. So you're going to go down here, change the status. So we're going to say it is in progress. We are going to give it a summary. We are going to also give it a description. We are going to assign somebody to that. We can also select a label, a parent, also a team due date, very important. Let's go ahead, choose a due date. Let's choose a start date. We are going to start on the 23rd, a reporter, and then you can add attachments here. This could be PDFs or images, videos, whatever type of PDF, whatever type of document you want to add in here. You can also link work items over here. So let's say you want to have certain types of work items here, you can. And then you can restrict who is able to actually see or work on this. So administrators, members, or viewers. Let's go ahead. Let's click on create. You'll now see underneath, we can just click on view epic. This essentially will be how you create an epic, and you'll be able to actually see over here this epic. And now you can start giving it a description. The child work items, you can add work items in over here. So you need to go and either add new items, or you can choose existing. And then as you go down, you'll see activities and comments, which is all in real time.